Losing money, it is a very, very normal process of what every successful traders has to go through before they can make some serious amount of money down the road. Everyone has to go through the process of losing money, training yourself to be better, and learning from your failure and mistakes. Now I'm going to go over why you shouldn't trade, but if you can master these 3 things, and the most important advice is going to be at the end of the video. So stay throughout the whole video so you can really integrate what I'm trying to tell you guys. Number 1, you are way too emotional when you trade. This can be taken in real life or in the stock market. No one likes an emotional person. That's just life. If you're overreacting, if you're in a stressful situation and not handling it properly, you're emotional. Everyone has emotion, guys, girls, everyone. But if you can learn to discipline your emotion, especially in trading, and trade like a robot, this will take you so far in your trading journey. For example, when you're in a stressful situation, life and death, there's 2 people. One is the calm control of their emotion. Another person, high temper, reacts emotionally. Now let's compare and contrast. I'm not saying one's better than the other. I'm just saying in trading, you need to control your emotion. In a stressful situation, some guy's getting held gunpoint and they stay calm, listen, and think about their next move. Yes, it's stressful, but you can also think and be attentive to what your next move is. The second guy, if you're emotional and overly reactive, sensitive, crying on the floor, you don't have a clear head to think life and death situation, what your next step is going to be. Yes, gunpoint is extreme, but you get the idea. If you're an emotional person, it is very, very hard for you to just be successful long term. Yes, you may make an insane amount of money in the very first beginning, but that euphoric high that you get from making money, it's gonna go. All the money that you can make can go just like that. And that leads to our second advice. Your risk management tolerance is absolute shit. If you cannot learn how to tolerate your risk, when to cut your losses, when to take profit, when to realize the market is going to turn on you and get out of whatever position you're in, you are going to be in for a long ride before you can even become successful. Now we're going to go a little bit deeper into it. So let's say you're a barista at Starbucks. How much did they get paid? An 8-hour shift. Maybe what? 170, 180 with 8 hours of work. You can easily make that in trading if you have the capital within 5 minutes or less, depending on how market moves. You can easily make 200. But now wait. Now the greed comes into play, right? Now you're getting greedy. You made 200. Oh, you made it in 3-4 minutes. But you can also lose that in 3 to 4 minutes or more. If you start small and slowly build up increments on your profit, and anytime you're in the red, you know when to cut it so that it doesn't bite into your profit. Always have the mentality, if I trade small and aim for $100, $200 a day, it is doable. And if you don't hit that goal, it's not gonna break you mentally or emotionally, as long as you cut your losses right away. This will prepare you for the days where you make a lot of profit, where you can not get too emotional about making too much money. If you get too emotional about making too much money, that's also very bad, because at that rate you're gambling. You're not controlling your trades, your emotion, your plans, your execution. You're not planning when to stop your loss or when to take profit. That's very, very bad trading. Why do people fail in this risk to reward ratio? It's very simple. You get very greedy. I admit, I still at times get caught up in getting greedy and wanting to make 30,000 a day. Like, it happens to the best of us. And lastly, the most important advice that I will give you why you're not succeeding with your trading: comparison is a thief of joy. Everyone has heard that before. If not, you just did. In life, when you compare yourself to others, whatever success they have, it takes happiness out of you, and you're always not living for yourself. You're living for someone else. Now take that and apply that to your everyday life. Stay off social media. Stay off comparing yourself to other people. Focus on your life day in and day out, and focus only with the people that you love and care about. Take that into trading as well. When you compare your profits, majority of people, I can tell you this right now, and if they tell you otherwise, most of them are bullshit. Everyone will show you their green days, never show you their red days. That's just how it is in this market and how it is in this industry. Every successful trader that I know, including myself, all have red days. If not red weeks, red months. It happens, okay? If you can master the comparison and get rid of all of that and just focus on you and your trades and be proud of yourself when you make the right decision, even if it's a losing trade. That will make you a phenomenal trader down the road. I can guarantee that. I tried to make this more of a short videos for traders, and if you're interested or a new trader, sign up in my Discord below. We have free resources and everything for you guys to sign up and enjoy. If you guys enjoy these style of videos, subscribe and continue to come back and watch more. I'm going to be more hands-on and in person with certain videos down the road. This is to all those who are struggling to trade right now. Don't give up. Please don't give up. Like, you're nearly on the brink of success. All you need is just the right guide, the right mentor, and belief within yourself that you can do it. Anyone can. Like, anyone can become successful. It is actually easier to become successful nowadays than ever before. Why? Because everyone gives up so damn easily now. Don't fall into that category. Just know, I wish you the best. And whatever it is, work hard and everything will pay off as long as you have faith in yourself and the man above.